As always, if you like our content, smash that like button and hit subscribe to stay up to date on the stuff that we continue to do on all these crazy cars that we have out here. Hello, everybody. I know it's a little bit blurry and fuzzy in here. I think I've got a little bit of background stuff going on. So I was out of town the last couple of days, and I got two packages. This one came from China. This one came from Chicago. The one that came from China is actually the rear for the Alpha Quadrifoglio. We're turning that car into a GTAM-ish car, so not GT Amish, but GTAM-ish, so it's all good. So in here we have the rear bumper. We're gonna pull that apart and take a look at it in just a second. And up here we have, for the 924, we have our Pasha door cards that I want to take a look at. We're gonna have to do some trimming in some areas to get these to fit because they are from a different era. So this is an early model car, it's a later model car. So the door cards are a bit different, but we're just gonna find a way to make them work. Give them a second life. They were out on eBay for quite a while and never moved, so I made the guy an offer. Super nice guy up in Illinois, we got them. I know that they need a little bit of work, but I'm gonna dive into this on my lunch hour here and let's take a look at what we got. That sucks. I thought that I actually put that on time lapse and I didn't, so I'll have to go back and time lapse that one a few different times, but I'm not sure if you can see how these look. Somebody might look at these and go, man, they're dirty. Well, they're original. So I actually think that they're in really pristine condition. I'll have to figure out the speaker hole setup on these because ours are a little bit different in the car. I don't know if you can see this or not, but our speaker holes are actually higher, and that takes a 4x6, and this looks like it might take a 5 1/4, which is totally fine because we can elongate this a little bit and cut out the inside of the car just a little bit to probably make a little bit bigger speaker fit in there, but we'll figure that out. I don't want to monkey with these too much. But I will say this, I will send a link this video when I post it to the seller. I think that they did a phenomenal job in packaging these, just amazing. They're as advertised. They look good. I think that my door card holder might be a little bit different than this one, but not by much. I think it might just actually work and fit in there perfectly. So we will figure this out, but we are gonna get these fit inside of the 924, which we have yet to name. We have to name it. And we'll do that. All right, we got these cool Pasha door cards. Let's see what they look like installed. Let's try that again, not in fast motion. So there we are, door cards in. We are gonna have to trim, our speaker is up here for 4x6, so I'm gonna have to like take a look at what's in here and if I can cut this out, make sure it's not a support, so we can get a speaker in here or not. Maybe we just might end up not doing speakers in here or cover that hole up with something, which would be easy to do, and put a 4x6 in behind there because the wiring is there. So anyways, there's, you know, step one, one's down. Just like that, there were two. Pasha. We got seats coming next. So that was fun. All right, should we do it again? Everybody ready? Viva, watch the transformation. Gonna do it again. Look at that. Pasha doors. Pasha, Pasha. Pasha doors. Pasha doors. We have no stereo, so we have speaker holes in there, but Pasha doors. Pasha doors. We got Pasha seats coming next, but Pasha doors. What do you think about that? It's kind of like coolness, right? I'm just saying. That's pretty cool little car.